Got y'all right here in the 4 hourly. And as of now, y'all can see we got that triple bottom, so we coming right back on up. I believe you're gonna come up here, hit this 100 EMA, should be around $3,900. And you'll then bounce between this 50 and the 100, but ultimately we're gonna get rejected by the 50, and then we'll come down to our next level. But the thing is, I mean, we about to start making super moves to the downside, just like all the other markets. On a daily, you can see the same thing, but over here it's at 15 and 20 once again. Basically, this is the next zone we about to be playing in. As y'all can see, they already played in this zone. You see it right here. The box out of these candles, even the spikes up. So you got to look at a longer time frame so you can really see what's happening and turn these pictures back on. So boom. As y'all can see, this is where the real next support level is. Like literally, the real next support level is all the way down here to around $2,500. And the thing you got to realize, let me turn this off again. Yeah. All right. So boom, we came down, hit this 100 EMA. This was the fake out I was telling you about before. Came down again, try to fake out like it's going back up. But what it's doing is creating a large M formation. It's going to come out as an M formation or a head and shoulder formation, which is an M formation also, basically. So, as y'all can see, the second drop was even lower. But look, this one drop, two drop. The third drop is going to send us flying to the next level. Like I said, around $2,500. Like you see this right here, this is what's about to happen. It's about to be large gaps, and it's about to start flying down really fast. Because y'all can see overall, they be recovering what they actually give up in the same kind, you know what I'm saying, within the next weeks. That's why they're so small. But when they start getting large like this, they kind of start getting recovered. Turn the drum back on. But like I said, this is the next level, 2,500. But we got to go even farther out into the monthly chart. So I can see all the levels. Because this is me. Because after the 2,500 drop, because the thing is, like I just said, market makes love doing things by three. So that's one drop down here, two drops. But this thing don't never even drop below the 50 for the longest. You see, we talking about all the way back 2012 type thing, even farther, and never drop below the 50 EMA. So anyway, we got one drop, two drop. You know, this is a larger time frame. Doing the exact same thing I just showed y'all. Stayed above it, this time drop below it, which means next time be even lower. And if y'all look to the side, boom, perfect. And y'all can basically see, and I got this because this previous resistance right here. That's how I know support, the next support level that we're going to stop at. So we're looking at around, like I say, around 1,600, 15,500, the general area. I would say 1,500 to keep it simple. Anyways, but that's being generous. If that is a low, we should get a quick recovery. A spike above here, most likely somewhere around $3,100, and then we need to bounce off this support level right here around $2,500. You know what I'm saying? The general range we're talking about now. But the thing is, there is a possibility that they can flush all these markets, like the regular stock market, and transfer it into cryptocurrency, because that's, you know, their whole plan is trying to turn everything digital. That's the whole issue here. But you know, we see what's happening around this world. Take the drone off again. But as y'all can see, we already made our first initial drop after we made a high, came down, didn't quite touch the 50, but we came back up, got rejected by the 20, came back down, stayed above the 50. As y'all can see, the box out of the candles indicates that we was going to come right back up, because it will not go below that level because of the support range. So now we come back up here, and you see the spike below, but it's boxed out up top. That means that they peaked out already, around 4,000 some change. So basically, is why the next monthly candle went down, but you know, slightly went up. So the new monthly candle is about to start. Now, you know, we're in the holidays and weekend now, but it's going to be looking bad. They're about to start dropping these markets really fast. I mean, they could hit you with one more fake out, but it's not going to go above, you know what I'm saying, around $4,000. It's going to be in this general range until they feel like dropping the market. And when they do make this drop, and supposedly, like I would say, the candlestick going to start around like $3,700. But they need one to break through this support level and to break through this support level to get down $2,500. But yeah, it's about to be a crazy drop, man. I'm pretty sure, you know, that's going to affect literally everything that everyone needs and uses on a daily basis. But yeah, anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.